Hello guys, welcome. My name is Nandivardhan Reddy from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, IIT, first year. Today's topic is don't rehearse your response. Almost all our all your interviews will begin with tell me something about yourself. Remember, your interviewer has been doing this long enough to know whether your answer is rehearsed or not. Preparation is important, but your interviewer is really trying to understand who you are and not what you mugged up. Side note, when you are asked to speak about yourself, do not just repeat what is already mentioned on your resume. This is a golden opportunity to talk about what you could not fit in that one page. Okay? Next, take your time. You don't have to rush into answers as soon as the question ends. Take some time to think before you answer each question. Remember, it's better to take a minute, have a sip of water, and then give a well thought out answer rather embarrassed with work ill prepared responses. You don't have to practice 200 times to create a winning presentation, but you will have to practice more than you think. Here are 5 steps to rehearse effectively. First one, start with presentation notes. Second one, practice under mild stress. And third one, ask for specific feedback. And fourth one is record it. And fifth one is practice until it's effortless. Okay, first one. Start with presentation notes. In PowerPoint, you can write notes at the bottom of each slide. Start writing notes for each slide in full sentences. Read the transcript out loud as you review each slide. Next, cut down the full sentence into bullet points and rehearse it out loud again, relying on notes even less. Eventually, cut the note down to just a few words that will promote you to deliver the entire concept. The less you reply on notes for your final presentation, the more eye contact you will make and the stronger your connection will be. Okay? Next, practice under mild stress. Psychologists who work with athletes have found that mirror real world conditions as much as possible during practice sessions, bringing out the best performance when the pressure is on. The famous entrepreneur and author that Tim Ferriss applied this concept to his TED Talk, TED Talk, mimic game day conditions as much as possible. He said after his presentation, Ferris gave the presentation in front of friends and strangers at various startups to grow up about 20 people. I don't want my first rehearsal in front of large group of strangers to be when I stand up in front of 1,000 people, he said. Ask for specific feedback. Once you have practiced your presentation in front of a small audience, most people will say good job. They don't want to hurt your feelings and they will have limited feedback. Well, good job might help you feel good. It won't help you to get better. Ask them to be specific. Is there something you didn't understand? Do I use jargon that you are not familiar with? Did I make strong eye contact? What did you like or not like about my delivery? What can I do make this stronger? You should ask that like that. Then fourth one is record it. Set up a smartphone or a video camera on a tripod and record your presentation. You will be surprised at what you see. You will catch vocal fillers such as ums and ahs. You will feel yourself using distraction hand motions like brushing your hair back or jiggling coins in your pocket. You might catch yourself avoiding eye contact or looking at the slides more than you are looking at the audience. It's not always comfortable watching yourself on camera, but it's a critical tool for successful presentation. Okay, next fifth one. Practice until it's effortless. The hardest question to answer is how many times should I practice my presentation? Dr. Jill practiced 200 times. Author and scientist Maria Birch practiced 25 times for a TED presentation. I recommended rehearsing the entire presentation until you can deliver it effortlessly without thinking about the first words you are going to say about each slide. In my experience as a professional communication advisor, I put the number of rehearsal at 10. Some people might need more, others need a little less. But if you practice your presentation from start to finish at least 10 times, you will have more confidence than ever.